Let's wrap this Gretsch Catalina Birch snare drum in red oyster. This finish is used a lot around here, especially when trying to match or get close to matching a Tama Starclassic red oyster finish. It's a little bit different, but blends in just nicely. We've done it a few times now, and this finish is becoming ever so popular. If you're unfamiliar with us, we are Drums Etc., a drum shop here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, but we also do some fun stuff that you won't see at other drum shops, like refinishing drums. This is one of our rewrapping videos, and we hope you guys stick around and enjoy. However, if you're not a nerd about the process, here's a little sneak peek of what to expect.